Hi friends, welcome to the tutorial series of distributed operating system by Goanboy Tutorials. Today we will cover design issues of distributed system, kinds of transparencies and bottlenecks of distributed system. Design issues. The first is transparency, second is flexibility, third is reliability, fourth is performance and fifth is scalability. The first design issue is transparency. Transparency can be achieved at two different levels. The first is to hide the distribution from the user. Second is to design a system interface so that existence of the multiple processor is not visible. इसका मतलब क्या है, आपको 2+3 का कंपटीशन करना है तो क्लाइंट स्टब में उसको पैक कर देगा, बाद में एक कर्नल को भेजेगा, कर्नल वहां से लोकल कर्नल को भेजेगा, वहां से सर्वर स्टब उसको अनपैक करेगा और सर्वर वो कंपटीशन करेगा 2+3 का आंसर जो है 5 वो फिर से बैक ट्रैक करके क्लाइंट के पास आ जाएगा। ये जितना भी कंपटीशन है ये यूजर से हाइड किया जाता है। The next we have the different type of transparencies. Location transparency. User cannot tell where the resources are located. That is, user cannot tell hardware and software resources such as CPUs, printers, files and databases where they are located. Migration transparency. Resources can move without changing their names. If I want to move from Goa to Mumbai, there is no need to change my name. Same way, resources can move freely from one location to the another without changing their names. Next, we have replication transparency. The user cannot tell how many copies exist. Distributed operating system is free to make additional copies of files and other resources on its own. Next, we have concurrency transparency. Multiple users can share resources automatically. User will not notice existence of other user. To achieve this transparency, resources should be locked by system automatically when someone start using it and release the lock when access is finished. इसका मतलब क्या है, एक यूजर जो है वो प्रिंटर यूज कर रहा है और वो प्रिंट कमांड दे रहा है, उस वक्त मैं दूसरे यूजर को वो प्रिंटर यूज करने के लिए परमिशन नहीं दूंगा। नेक्स्ट वी हैव पैरेललिज्म ट्रांसपेरेंसी. Activities can happen in parallel without user knowing. User tasks may be scheduled for execution at different nodes and system which is invisible to the user. Next design issue is flexibility. User level servers should provide the bulk of operating system services. Under this we have monolithic kernel, centralized system with networking and remote services. Here we have a user and the monolithic kernel includes files, directory and process management. Next we have microkernel. It provides the services like an inter-process communication mechanism, some memory management, low-level process management and scheduling, and low-level I/O. Advantage of microkernel is every client has an equal opportunity to access the server.
Next design issue we have reliability. Reliable system must be highly available. आपके पास जो सिस्टम है वो प्रोसेस कंप्यूट करने के लिए अवेलेबल नहीं है तो वो रिलायबल होके भी फायदा नहीं है. सिक्योरिटी. रिसोर्सेज मस्ट बी प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम अनऑथराइज्ड यूजेस. द नेक्स्ट इज फॉल्ट टॉलरेंस. द एबिलिटी टू मास्क द फेलियर फ्रॉम द यूजर. एक सिस्टम का डिस्क खराब हो गया तो डिस्क का जो बैकअप है दूसरे डिस्क पर हो यूजर को अवेलेबल होना चाहिए, मतलब मास्क द फेलियर फ्रॉम द यूजर. नेक्स्ट डिजाइन इश्यू इज परफॉर्मेंस. Distributed system should not run an application slower. The performance is measured on response time of the system, throughput of the system, network capacity consumed. Balance the number of messages and grain size of the distributed computation. Then what is grain size? Amount of work performed by the task. Here we have concept called fine grained parallelism, coarse grained parallelism. Fine grained. Jobs involving more small computation, but they have high interaction rate. They can cause problem in distributed system with slow communication. Coarse grained. Jobs involving large computation but they have low interaction are best fitted in distributed system. Scalability. In scalability, we should avoid the centralized components, tables and algorithms. Only decentralized algorithm should be used. Characteristics of the decentralized algorithm. No machine has a complete information about the system state. मतलब सिस्टम डेडलॉक स्टेट में है, रेडी स्टेट में है, वो मशीन को इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता है. मशीन मेक्स अ डिसीजन बेस्ड ओनली ऑन लोकल इन्फॉर्मेशन. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन लोकल सिस्टम पे है वही यूज होता है, ना कि वो सर्वर के पास जाए, उसे कांटेक्ट करे और वहां से इन्फॉर्मेशन ले. फेलियर ऑफ वन मशीन डज नॉट ruin the algorithm. There is no assumption of global clock. Bottlenecks of the distributed system that designers should avoid while designing a system. Centralized component. A single mail server for all users. If we have a single mail server, managing the storage and the network capacity will be problem. Single power outage will bring entire system down. Finally, most of the mails are local. Next point we have centralized tables. A single online telephone book may saturate the communication line. Next we have centralized algorithm doing routing based on complete information. Routing is done by collecting the information about the load and the lines on the machine, and using graph theory algorithm we can find the best route. Collecting all data and sending it to the single machine for processing and then distribute the result must be avoided. Because of this kind of issues, we should use decentralized algorithm. Semester questions. Explain different type of transparencies. Explain design issue of distributed system. Explain bottlenecks of distributed system that designers should avoid. In next tutorial, we will cover layer protocols and asynchronous transfer mode. So you subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends, comment down below if any suggestion are there. नोट्स का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाला हुआ है, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल में.